Hari Om friends, let's understand the fundamental difference between knowledge and wisdom. The world seems to be filled with knowledgeable people, but seldom you find person of wisdom. They're very few and rare. It's a precious commodity now, wisdom. But knowledgeable people, plenty around. It is so. Let's understand, analyze what is the difference between knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge is objective. Wisdom is subjective. When I say knowledge being objective, you gain information through an external source with which you are well informed in a particular field of activity. You have an objective knowledge. You have the knowledge of engineering. You have the knowledge of computers. You have knowledge of the financial markets. Objective aspect is knowledge. Subjective is wisdom. You have taken in something, but you have internalized it. Now it's become a part of you. One is to know about gratitude. Another is to experience gratitude within yourself. I keep telling the words thank you is an expression of gratitude. So anytime or whenever you say thank you, let it be backed with that pure emotion of gratitude. Otherwise, let us not use these words casually. So, wisdom is subjective, knowledge is objective. Knowledge is theory, theoretical aspects. Wisdom is practice. That's why I said you practice forgiveness. You may have the theoretical knowledge of forgiveness. Forgiveness is to set the prisoner free and to finally understand that the prisoner was none other than yourself. Theoretical knowledge you can have. Practice. If you're practicing forgiveness, you're a wise person. Your wisdom helps you to practice. You understand, my God, that's enormous freedom. So you practicing forgiveness. There's a statement. Forgiveness is a fruit of a tree gives when you throw a stone at it. So you may have theoretical knowledge of forgiveness and may find enormous difficulty in practicing forgiveness. So that is knowledge. That will not help you beyond a point. Wisdom is where you practice it. So the more you practice, that's why probably Mahatma Gandhi's statements, forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. The weak can never forgive, he says. A wise person forgives effortlessly. Wisdom is insight. Knowledge is through sight, through perception. Wisdom is through insight. You have that insight. Something within you tells you that's right. That insight, you want to pursue it. That's wisdom. That is wisdom. Knowledge is gained through tuition. You get acquainted with a particular information. Knowledge is gained through tuition. Wisdom is gained through intuition. Intuition. It is so. That's wisdom. The more intuitive you become, the more wiser you are. Intuition. Something within you tells you this is the right thing to do. That intuition. Wisdom is intuition. Knowledge is in words. Wisdom is in silence. Knowledge is in words. You can explain a lot of things through words. Knowledge is in silence. They say when a seeker asked Ramana Maharishi about the definition of God, he said, look between two thoughts. The dynamic silence which exists between two thoughts is that divine energy, says Ramana Maharishi. So, knowledge is in words, wisdom is in silence. When I say silence, it's a dynamic silence you experience. Knowledge with reference to the length of study. Wisdom is with reference to the depth of study. You want to become wiser, go to the depth of any subject. You become wiser. You want to just learn more and more information, go to the length of study. It may not help you beyond a point. It may help you to have a conversation, but wisdom helps you to deal with yourself. Therefore, friends, what is needed in this world is wise people. Information is there, it's fine. Knowledge is fine. You should have knowledge. But much more than that, you need to gain that wisdom. Wisdom is subjective, friends. Vedantic knowledge is subjective. Vedanta helps you to gain that wisdom. The Mind and Intellect forum which you have created is to help you use your mind and intellect, gain that wisdom. Therefore, you experience the world in a profound way. And all that I'm saying is, each one of us put in effort, you gain that wisdom. And life will be a different experience altogether. It will become effortless. Think about it. Namaskar.